Wow! Did you know that if you turned Mount Everest upside down and dropped it into the deepest part of the ocean, its peak would still be submerged by over a mile of water? Welcome to the abyss, the most mysterious and extreme environment on our planet. Today, we're diving deep into the Earth's trenches, exploring places where the pressure is so intense it could crush a submarine like a soda can. Let's start with the undisputed king of deep-sea trenches, the Mariana Trench. Located in the western Pacific Ocean, east of the Mariana Islands, this colossal chasm is home to the Challenger Deep, the deepest known point on Earth. It plunges down nearly 11,000 meters, or about 7 miles. To put that in perspective, commercial airliners fly at altitudes lower than this depth. The formation of the Mariana Trench is a dramatic story of plate tectonics. Here, the massive Pacific Plate is being forced underneath the smaller Mariana Plate in a process called subduction. This slow, powerful collision has been happening for millions of years, relentlessly carving this scar into the ocean floor. The pressure at the bottom of the Challenger Deep is over 1,000 times the standard atmospheric pressure at sea level. Imagine the weight of 50 jumbo jets stacked on top of you. That's the kind of crushing force we're talking about. It's so immense that it actually increases the density of the water by about 5%. The temperature hovers just above freezing, and it's pitch black. Yet, against all odds, life finds a way. Scientists have discovered xenophyophores, which are giant single-celled organisms, as well as amphipods and even a unique species of snailfish thriving in this hostile world. These creatures have evolved incredible adaptations to survive the bone-crushing pressure and frigid darkness. But the Mariana Trench isn't the only giant in town. Let's travel southwest to another behemoth, the Tonga Trench. Situated east of the Tonga Island arc, this trench is the second deepest on Earth, reaching depths of over 10,800 meters at a point known as the Horizon Deep. What makes the Tonga Trench particularly fascinating is the speed at which the Pacific Plate is subducting beneath the Tonga Plate. It's one of the fastest subduction rates on the planet, with the plate moving at a blistering pace of up to 24 centimeters per year in some areas. This rapid convergence not only creates an incredibly deep trench, but also makes the region one of the most seismically active in the world. The intense geological stress results in frequent and powerful earthquakes. The Tonga Trench is a place of immense geological violence and raw power, a testament to the dynamic forces constantly reshaping our planet's surface. Venturing into this trench is extremely dangerous, not just because of the pressure, but also due to the unpredictable seismic activity. Any exploration requires state-of-the-art submersibles capable of withstanding both the pressure and the potential for underwater landslides triggered by earthquakes. Now, here is a question for you. If you had the chance to go down in a submersible to one of these trenches, would you take it? Let me know your answer in the comments below. I'm really curious to see who the brave explorers are among us. Moving on, let's head further west to the Philippine Trench, also known as the Mindanao Trench. Located to the east of the Philippines, this trench reaches a staggering depth of around 10,540 meters. Its formation is similar to the others, created by the collision of tectonic plates. Specifically, the Philippine Sea Plate subducting under the Eurasian Plate. The Philippine Trench is a significant feature in the region's geography and has a profound impact on its biodiversity. The deep, cold, nutrient-rich waters that well up from the trench support a vibrant marine ecosystem in the surrounding areas, making the waters of the Philippines some of the most biodiverse in the world. However, like the Tonga Trench, this area is also prone to significant seismic activity. The tectonic movements that form the trench are a constant source of earthquakes and tsunamis, posing a real and present danger to the coastal communities of the Philippines. Exploring these depths reveals a world of extremes, but it also highlights the interconnectedness of our planet's systems, where a deep-sea feature can influence everything from local fisheries to geological hazards. So, what are the universal dangers of exploring these abyssal zones? The primary and most obvious danger is the colossal pressure. Any breach in a submersible's hull at these depths would be catastrophic and instantaneous. The vehicle wouldn't just leak, would implode with unimaginable force. That's why building submersibles for deep-sea exploration is such a monumental feat of engineering, requiring materials like specialized titanium alloys and spherical designs to evenly distribute the immense pressure. Another danger is equipment failure. In the pitch-black, freezing environment of the deep sea, there is zero room for error. A power failure, a loss of communication, or a malfunction in life support systems could be a death sentence. Navigation is also incredibly challenging. Far from any GPS signals, explorers rely on sonar and other acoustic positioning systems, which can be tricky to operate in the complex underwater terrain of a trench. And let's not forget the psychological toll. Being confined in a small sphere, miles below the surface in total darkness, is a mentally demanding experience that only a select few are prepared for. Despite these immense dangers, humanity's curiosity continues to drive us to explore these last true frontiers on Earth. Every dive into the abyss brings back new knowledge, new species, and a deeper understanding of our own planet. From the unique life forms that have adapted to survive in impossible conditions to the geological forces that shape our world, the deep-sea trenches hold countless secrets waiting to be discovered. They remind us that there is still so much we do not know about the world we live in, and that the spirit of exploration is alive and well. What mysteries will we uncover next in the crushing darkness of the deep? Only time will tell. Thanks for joining me on this incredible journey to the bottom of the ocean. If you found this as fascinating as I did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the wonders of our world. See you next time.